Hey guys, this is Sad Man, and today I'm going to be showing you the Canon ZR40. It came out in March 2002, and I got it at Goodwill for $14.99. And I'm pretty sure I got for a good deal because when I got it, it came with a carrying case, some MiniDV tapes, an AC adapter, some manuals, some batteries, including this one right here, and a remote. And as you can see, it's a MiniDV camcorder by Canon, and it shakes MiniDV tapes. And I'll show you. This is a case for a MiniDV tape, and here's a MiniDV tape inside of this case. And I'm gonna go get the firewire cable that it needs. Alright, in order to transfer the video losslessly to the computer, you have to use one of these firewire cables. It's a small little DV cable, 4-pin, and you can connect it to your computer or your laptop and transfer the video losslessly. And I'm going to put this away. And yeah, it's pretty neat that I have a Canon MiniDV camcorder. And now I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna press this switch right here, and the door opens. I open the door and I push up. I'm gonna shake the lens cap off, and now it's on. Anyway, here's a test video that I came to this camcorder. Alright, here's a test video for the Canon camcorder. Right now it's the trees and the bushes. You hear the birds chirping. Anyway, so I'll say for now, bye. Anyway, here are the little buttons. And there's the rewind, fast forward, play, pause, and stop. And there's the data code, digital effects, on/off, and the menu. On/off. Doesn't seem to do anything. This little switch, I don't know what. Auto and the other mode. And I'm pretty sure that's the volume knob, judging by the little speaker. This is where you can add a little microphone or a light. And here's the viewfinder. And if you close it, you can now see out of the viewfinder. Yeah. And right here it says power. You can change it to camera off and play/VCR. And there's the red button for recording on a tape, and there's the photo for changing photos. It doesn't shake photos to any memory cards. It just shakes stills to the MiniDV tape. And you can pull this and push it. And there's battery release. It is a pretty big battery. It's a third-party battery. It's an old third-party battery, but it still works just fine. It still holds a good charge. And there's the speaker. And there's where I'm gonna turn it. This is where the AC, no, not AC, AV cable, LANC remote port, microphone, and DC in go. I'll open it, and here's what the ports look like. And right here is this is where the FireWire and S video ports are. This is where you connect them. And right here, there's a W and a T that are zooming in and zooming out. I'm doing straight for you right now. And no, the lens doesn't move. And now let me go to the menu. There's a camera set up. So I have a little bit of trouble. So up and down is select, and set is set. I don't know how to maneuver this. Do I do I don't know what that did. So I don't really know how to. I think you need the remote for this. But here's the settings that you can choose. Anyway, so I'll say for now. Hope you enjoyed it.